Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to make tortilla pizza. The tortilla spinach pizza. This is it. So I have my cheese, pepperoni, and my tomato sauce, olives, bell pepper, green and yellow. That's it. I'm craving for pizza. Craving for pizza. You can make it at home. So we are starting with our sauce. Let me bring this in here. Maybe I'm going to need it. I'm going to spread the sauce first. I'm going to spread my sauce. I want it to be saucy. Homemade pizza. I'm gonna add my cheese. Add the cheese. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of pepperoni at the bottom. Then we put another layer. This is what I'm having for lunch. Now I'm going to add one more tortilla. I'm going to add it on top. This is it. Cheese. More cheese. The more the merrier. I want it to be cheesy. Then I'm gonna add pepperoni again. You can add as much as you want. Now I'm going to add our bell pepper. Then the black olives. I already preheated my oven at 375. So we are ready to go. I'm ready. I like olives. I'm gonna put a lot of olives. I'm going crazy here with my olives. That's it. Then now, I'm going to add a little bit of more cheese. Did you say cheese? More cheese for me. That's good now. Now time to put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Here it goes. So we'll wait. Now our pizza is ready. Let's take it out of the oven. Ready. So we're gonna let it cool. Then we'll cut it. Look how beautiful that is. Just look at it. Homemade pizza. So this is it. We'll wait for it to cool first. Look how beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. I wanna cut the pizza. Sure. So good. And this is delicious. Delicious. So this is it.